We interrupt this broadcast for a public service announcement. Please listen carefully to the following information.
On behalf of the Phalanx, we welcome visitors to the Nemesis observation platform. This is a biohazard risk containment zone. All hazardous material has been made safe for civilian viewing. For your own safety, please obey all instructions given to you by the Phalanx operatives. Everything is under control. Delivering strength in control. It is imperative you remain within the containment zone. Everything is under control.
Evening, hello, how are we? Hello again. I have had a shave, but I've not had a haircut. So, it's Track Update Tuesday, TUT. There you go, hashtag TUT. We've got a little update. I think one more piece has gone in. You can just see it peeking out. Let me show you. Just peeking out. Just there. Just peeking out, so you can just see it about there, just peeking up. So here she goes again.
For your own safety,
here she is.
Please obey all instructions given to you by the Phalanx operatives.
It's a wonder she's not got a sore throat. So I did say I won't be here this week, but I have come for you. So lovely weather again, absolutely chucking it down. Still closed. I was hoping it's going to be open this week, but clearly not. Maybe next week. So yeah, that's your update. Just a little bit there. So there's just a loop to go. Was an extra bit there, was there? Yes. Another bit extra since I've been just there. So I think they've added at least 2 bits of track there, because that's been added since we last come. So you'll be able to see that in the other one. Just a little update regarding social media. If you've obviously watched the last video, I did re-upload that secretly. Not bother with Instagram or Threads, just the Facebook. So the one before that has got the link. She's going to blab on again in a minute, bear with us. So yeah, so no Instagram, no Threads, links are all in the description, just
We
the Facebook.
are the Phalanx.
Here she is.
Delivering strength in control.
There you go. So yeah, just the Facebook, which I might put on the bottom again for you, more editing to do. So on that note, we'll catch you in a minute. But so yeah, there you go. There's an update for you. 2 pieces of track since last week. Ta-da!
Operatives will ensure your security at all times. Due to localized biohazard risk, it is imperative you remain within the containment zone.
There he is, look. He's just packing away, look. That's it. I think that's it for the day today. It's about 3:30. That's it. Hashtag gotta get to the pub. Just like Drayton Manor staff. Gotta get to the pub. Trot.